How to fix audio out of sync on Prime Video. In order to fix audio out of sync on Amazon Prime Video, you could try a couple of these steps. First of all, what you want to do is you want to completely close the streaming device, and next you want to make sure to restart it. At the same time, restart your device if you have your mobile device, and that is going to help you out to fix as well. Other than that, what you could also do is you could also try updating your app if there seems to be an outdated version. So go to your respective app store, on the search bar, type in Prime Video, and make sure to update it. That will be able to fix. Other than that, if the issue still persists on, you want to locate Prime Video, long press onto it, go to the app info section, and then come to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. That might be able to help. Other than that, if the issue still persists on, you also want to make sure to check your settings on the Prime Video itself. And other than that, you also want to make sure to check your internet connection if you have an unstable internet connection. So that might be one of the reasons. So make sure to check for that as well. So these are a couple things you could try in order to fix audio out of sync on Prime Video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.